Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the bakery shop management system using Python. Okay, so there is a sign up and sign in option. So let's done with the sign up. Okay, so we have to enter the email ID and password. After entering the email ID, then you have to enter the password, then enter the confirm password. After successfully you have to sign up and then click on the sign in option. So we have to same register with that email ID and password which you sign up, and click on the sign in option. So it will open the home page. Now you can add your customer details here. So I'm just adding new customer detail like name, address, number, email ID, preferences or allergy. Okay, so I'm just entering the name, then address, number, email ID, preferences and allergy. Okay, then click on the save button. So it will add in the database. Then you have to enter the new customer detail like name, address, email ID, preferences and allergy. So all those details stored in the database. Let's enter one by one. Enter the preferences, chocolate. So the complete project developed using Python programming language, and Techie is used for the user interface. Now click on the save button, and there is a complete view option where all the details will be stored, and you can also search from the search name, and there is a reset option. Okay, now you can add the new order like item name, quantity and price. Enter the price and click on the save button. Okay, so it will show the complete billing option, invoice, total bill and total amount. Okay, so you can also search from that particular any identity, and you can update also, or you can also add the new order. Just I'm entering the new item with the item name, quantity, date and phone number. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.